everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Cerner Health account on your web portal. So, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Cerner Health account. You can do this by typing Cerner Health login. After that, click on Login. Now you will be directed to sign-in page of Cerner Health. Enter your email address or your username and your password, then click on Sign In. Make sure you enter the same email address or username and your password that you have used to create your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by clicking on Forgot Password. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Cerner Health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.